Here's a simple recipe for making a tuna sandwich. Ingredients: 1 can of tuna, drained. 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. 1 tablespoon of chopped pickles or relish, optional. Salt and pepper, to taste. 2 slices of bread. Lettuce or other toppings, as desired. Instructions: 1. In a mixing bowl, combine the drained tuna, mayonnaise, Dijon mustard, and chopped pickles or relish, if using. 2. Mix everything together until well combined. 3. Taste the mixture and season with salt and pepper to your liking. 4. Toast the bread slices if desired. 5. Spread the tuna mixture onto 1 slice of bread. 6. Add lettuce or other toppings as desired. 7. Top with the other slice of bread. 8. Cut the sandwich in half and enjoy. Note: you can customize this recipe by adding other ingredients such as diced onions, celery, or fresh herbs to the tuna mixture.